I'm busy making a thumbnail, and listen to this sound. That is full metal diecast. Wow. Hello everyone, I think I got something very cool here in front of me. It's from the brand Stance Hunters. Did a review about the other model from Stance Hunters before, the Ferrari F40. Also comes with an opening part just like this model right here, and it already looks amazing in my opinion. Legend Series 1/64 scale, Mercedes SLR McLaren. 1 out of 399. So that means it's a limited edition. Is it a licensed product? Forget it. But that doesn't mean it's not good. Okay, let's open up the package. There we go. 2 screws I see. What do we got here? What is this? Maybe to put on the hood. That's possible. Okay, I need Ooh, and by the way, I got something cool right here. And I'm not talking about my socks, but I'm talking about this box right here that I got from Diecast Dog. Review is coming soon. I need this right here. Whoa, be careful. Now we're going to and this is a die-cast model, it's not resin. Okay, is it already loose? Ooh, not yet. How about now? No. Yeah, there we go. Feels very heavy. And look at this. This is really good. And also the interior. Windscreen wipers, not molded in glass. This is high quality, my friends. Lanced headlights, nice Mercedes logo. I think, yes, I'm going to say it. This is the best Mercedes SLR McLaren I have seen in a 1/64 scale. I can already say that. Rolling wheels. The exhaust. Metal base. Yes. Not much details, but it is a metal base. And also the profile on the tires are good. And those rims. Authentic. Okay, it needs a German license plate, of course, because it's a German car. In my opinion, then it needs a German license plate. I got that, so that's no problem at all. Heating in the back window, and I think it's a good idea if we have a better look in the interior. Yeah, that is really good. Color details. Red interior with silver in the middle console. Authentic steering wheel. This is a fantastic car. Wow. Okay, I put it, no, I put it right here. And then we have a look at this. Has to be careful because Okay, the wheels are rolling, but not super good. Have to check that. There we go, yeah. Even this feels a little bit heavy. And I like it that you can do it like this. Let's see. Yeah, that's a perfect fit. Yeah, I think they did really well. And I like the idea. Also these air outtake. I think this is for the brakes, to cool the brakes, to take the heat air out of the brakes. There was something with the brake system with this car. I think when it's raining, the computer noticed that it's raining, and then the brake claws are tipping the brake disc. So if you have to make an emergency stop, the brakes will react for 100%. I hope I'm saying it right. I hope you understand what I'm saying, but it was something like that. There's a very cool video of from Top Gear where Jeremy Clarkson is racing in this car and tells all cool things about this car. Yeah, I like the idea that you can take the hood off. Wow, wow. Seriously, this is so cool. For a 164 car, amazing. Now, I want to know what this is. I think this is only... Hallelujah. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so I think you... Wait a minute, so... Yeah. And then you can do something like this. I think that's it. Yeah, that must be it. Okay, now the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a license plate in the back in a sec. Okay, so here we have the license plate. There we go. And a little piece of gum. I've got one here that is already used. I used the other part. Yeah, there we go. And yes, I'm also going to show the Ferrari F40 in this video. Hello. Yeah, there we go. Finally. Okay. Whoop. Small piece of gum right here. Put it in the back of the car. Yeah. License plate. Oh, I don't think it is a German license plate. I think it's a British car. Ah, damn it. It's not a German license plate. Okay. Okay, put this here. We need a German license plate. German. The B, the B, the M. going to use the S right here. I already used another one. There we go. No. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's move it a little bit to the right. Okay. Yes, much better. Much better. Not going to put a license plate in the front. This is perfect like it is. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh no, thanks for watching. We have to look at the other model I got from Stance Hunters, and that's the one right here. Already did a review about it on my YouTube channel, so just a quick look. This one is also amazing. And also with a metal base. Perfect. Okay, now I can say thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, click, and I'll see you soon. Bye.